Hello and welcome. Eamon Darcy is my name. I'm the founder and operator of QEQA, the Quantum Education Centre of West Australia. And I'm very excited to tell you today about a partnership that I've set up with Kate de Jong from Inspired Business. We've worked very successfully before, and that's to bring you quantum technology, the next big disruptor. We have a three-part workshop, and really anybody in business or anybody wanting to know more about quantum technology and how it's going to change the world needs to come to these workshops. It's so important. Jeff Bezos, founder and CEO of Amazon, said, "Quantum computing is the technology of the future." I am not exaggerating when I say it will change literally everything. And he's right. It's going to change everything. So let me just talk about what we're going to go through in the three-part series. The first workshop, we're going to talk and work on quantum physics and quantum computing. You will never fully understand the difference between a quantum computer and a classical digital supercomputer if you don't understand what's happening in the background. Quantum physics is unbelievable. Quantum just means anything smaller than an atom. And scientists couldn't believe about 100 years ago when they first were able to probe inside the atom, the forces behave totally differently, even though we are made up of quantum particles. So it's so exciting. And in the 80s, a very clever professor, Richard Feynman, he said that even though we may never understand quantum physics, we can build computers out of these things. And a lot of people said it will never happen. Well, it has happened. And they are already doing certain calculations much, much faster than super digital computers. It's called quantum supremacy, and it's being reached. So that'll be the first week. The second week, I'll talk about what are the big boys doing here? What's the state of play around the world? How many quantum computers are there? When can we expect to see a more direct impact? What are IBM doing? What are Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Alibaba, all these people? What different types of computer there are, which is going to succeed? There's an awful lot there, talking about how it's going to affect cryptocurrency, very, very big issue. Quantum security is one of the biggest things it's going to change. Basically, we are, for the first time ever, mankind is going to have an unhackable cipher, which has huge implications, which I'll explain. And on the third workshop, we'll talk about what you need to do to prepare for the quantum era, which is coming, to make sure that you're not adversely affected by this disruption. QAS, Quantum as a Service, QAAS. Is there any QAS in your industry that you can take advantage of? All of the details are in the description, and I look forward to seeing you there. Thank you.